first thing we're going to start off is the bachata basics. So as I mentioned before, this is done on an 8 count. So you're going to start off on your left foot for the leads. You're going to start off moving to the left 1. Then you're going to follow with your right foot coming in on 2. Then you're going to go your left foot again on 3. And then you're going to tap on that 4 count. And it's important that you tap on the 4th count because it's not a complete weight shift. On the first 3 counts, you're going to be weight shifting. So it's going to be a weight shift, a weight shift, a weight shift, and then a tap. And not shifting the weight on the 4th tap is important because on the 5th count, we're going to go back to the right. So it's going to be 5 right on your right foot. Then it's going to be 6 on the left, 7 on the right, and then 8 tapping with your left foot again. So that way you can repeat the pattern. So it's going to look like 1, 2, 3, tap on 4, 5, 6, 7, tap on 8. Okay?